Hello and welcome guys, my name is Junaid Iqbal and you are watching Tech Eagle YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to sign in your Google account in any device. I will show you the process in my Android phone, but the process will be same in any application or website on any device. So let's jump into the video. So hello guys, I am on my mobile phone screen and I have opened my browser. Here you have to search for sign in Google account and search for it. This page will appear in front of you. You have to click on the first link. Here you have to enter the email of your account. I am adding mine. After adding your email, you have to click on the next button. Here this screen will appear in front of you. Google will ask you to enter your password. After entering your password, click on the next. If you have two-step verification on your Google account, the Google will send you verification code on your device. You have to enter the verification code to sign in your Google account. After this, your Google account will be successfully signed into your mobile. If this video helped you, please click on the like button. If you have any issue or problem during signing in Google account, drop down the comment. I will make sure to answer you and solve your problem. That's me, Junaid Iqbal, signing out.